In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Nevada or in any other state the best and easiest way possible. So just to make this video nice and easy, I'm going to quickly start with the table of contents, and then I'll include the timestamps down below so you can skip to any part of the video you like. All right. So chapter 1, I'm going to be discussing what an LLC is and give you free reasons why you should consider starting an LLC over other business entities. Then in chapter 2, we'll talk about the pros and cons of starting an LLC in Nevada state. And finally, in chapter 3, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step process on how to actually start your LLC. Now, in this video, I'm going to be focusing on Nevada state, but if you are going to choose another state, the steps will be exactly the same, so you can still follow along. I'll also provide any useful links in the description and pin comment down below the video, so be sure to check those out once the video is over. And now, without further ado, let's get into it. So, an LLC, or limited liability company, is a type of business structure that basically combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership. It is a great way to legally separate your personal assets from your business, so you're not personally responsible for your business debts or legal issues. And choosing to form an LLC as your business entity can offer a lot of advantages. One major benefit, and the reason most business owners choose to start an LLC, is limited liability protection, which basically means your personal assets such as your personal savings, cars, or homes are completely safe from being used to pay off any business debts or legal liabilities. Another reason is because LLCs have very flexible taxation options. This means you can avoid being double taxed, and it can provide excellent tax flexibility based on your specific business needs. Another reason why so many people choose to start an LLC is its operational flexibility. What this means is having fewer formalities and requirements compared to corporations. It can make it a lot easier and more cost-effective to operate and maintain an LLC, including no need for a board of directors and greater flexibility in management structure. And lastly, forming an LLC can also convey credibility and professionalism to customers, investors, and partners. This is because it is a recognized and established business structure that may be seen as more reputable compared to other business entities. All right, so let's move on to the next part of the video, where I'm going to be going over some of the disadvantages and advantages of starting the LLC in Nevada versus other states. So let's start with the good. Firstly, the reason so many people choose to start an LLC in Nevada is because they have no state income tax, which can actually save your business a lot of money. Secondly, Nevada has a business-friendly, legal, and regulatory environment, including strong protections for business owners and flexible LLC formation options. And lastly, Nevada has such a reputation for being a corporate-friendly state, attracting businesses from various industries. However, there are some drawbacks when considering starting an LLC in Nevada. Firstly, while Nevada does not have a state income tax, it does have other taxes and fees that businesses need to be aware of, including a modified business tax and annual fee for maintaining that LLC. Secondly, Nevada may have more competition in certain industries due to its popularity as a business destination. This can make it more challenging for you businesses to stand out and succeed. Thirdly, while Nevada offers business-friendly laws, it may have fewer resources and support programs compared to larger states with more extensive business ecosystems. And lastly, setting up an LLC in Nevada can be a complicated and time-consuming process, especially if you're doing it for the first time. But those disadvantages lead me on to the next part of the video, where I'll show you the easiest and best way to get your LLC in Nevada set up in 3 simple steps. So yeah, setting up an LLC in Nevada can be a time-consuming and outright frustrating process, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't start one there. I would just recommend using an LLC formation service to just take care of everything for you. And one service I would highly recommend, and one that I actually do use myself every time to form an LLC, is Taylor Brands. So Taylor Brands is an amazing platform that I've been using for years now. That's because they have so many amazing tools designed to start a business from scratch, all in one place. They have a logo maker, they have a website builder, business card printing, LLC formation, and a bunch of other useful tools as well. Literally everything you need to go from zero to hero in one convenient place. So going back to the LLC formation, yeah, Taylor Brands has a team of experts who basically do the whole entire LLC formation for you. And if you have any questions or concerns about starting your LLC, There's a team of experts ready to chat with you 24/7. Their website is so user-friendly, you can literally start your LLC in 3 simple steps, taking only about 5 minutes. So let me quickly guide you through the process. First, just click the link I provided for you down below in this video description or in the pinned comment. Then once you're on the website, step 1 is to choose your state. Step 2, you choose your business name and they'll check there if it's available or not. And the third and final step, just answer a few basic questions they have about your business. They ask things like what service you're selling, what stage your business is on, how many employees you have, and finally your contact details. And that's basically it. Taylor Brands will then start your LLC and their team of experts will guide you through every step of the way. They'll make sure all the necessary paperwork, such as your articles of organization and everything else, are fully complete, accurate, and filed correctly. Then once it's all done, they'll obtain your federal tax ID number or your EIN and provide you with a certificate of organization, which is a document that basically proves your business is fully legally registered and ready to start operating. So in conclusion, setting up an LLC in Nevada doesn't have to be a difficult or time-consuming process. With Taylor Brands LLC formation service, you can get your LLC set up quickly and easily, leaving you with more time and focus on the important part of actually growing your business. Their expert guidance and affordable pricing make them an excellent choice for small business owners looking to start their entrepreneurial journey. So if you'd like your LLC entirely set up for you with only 5 minutes of work on your end, try Taylor Brands by using the discount link I provided for you down in the description and the pinned comment down below. But as for this video, guys, that's just about it. If you have any questions about forming an LLC or about Taylor Brands, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.